It will last forever. It will never fade away. Never cause me pain. This love, this love. Shanti. Shanti. Andhkar.
Om Shanti. Let's have a trek to the hill this Saturday from CPR campus to hilltop in sweet remembrance of Father Shiv, the creator of nature, creator of new world. You are watching this video as well as making a trek with me, but in sweet remembrance of Father Shiv. First of all, watch the glowing sun on the east in front of the camera and empower your body through the 5 sensory organs of the body on the face. That is eyes, ears, nose, mouth and skin. And you are aware that sun under the ether element is a source of fire, light, heat, energy. What it does? It does provide you light. It provides heat energy. It does another 2 things mainly. It evaporates the seawater and showers it on the planet through the clouds, and the vegetation gets green around as you see in the video. And we human beings on the planet get that food for the body, and that's the elevated source of energy under the ether sky. But sun also does one more thing. It burns the kitanus, the microorganisms which are harmful at some places, some cases. Similarly, the Son of Knowledge, who provides the light to the universe, that is corporeal world, including sky, earth, sun the fire, air and water, and the Son of Knowledge only sits in his sweet silent abode, that is incorporeal soul world. I hope and believe you understand this simple language which I am narrating, which I have understood or learnt through Father Brahma, and the ultimate source of knowledge is Father Shiv, the creator. Brahma and Brahma Kumaris are instruments, as I am also part of the mission, for the transformation of souls from vicious to non-vicious, from violent to the non-violent, from impure to the pure. And you are part of it. At the same time, we do vibrate our spiritual energy through body when we are in contact with the nature, anywhere, anytime, but mostly in the morning hours of Amrit Vela or Brahma Muhurta, as I am now standing amongst the trees, greenery, nature fully blossomed. And that vibration creates a spiritual and physical bondage or a connection with the five elements which lasts for 5,000 years when we pure souls descend on earth, take the pure Satopradhan bodies, but not through vice, through the Yoga Bal, that is through Yoga Agni, which we receive now from God Shiv. And after Copper Age or in the hell, we receive the bodies which are impure, vicious. That is, the fetus is created through sambhog or intercourse of male and female. As you must have heard about the story of apple, Adam and Eve. So, understand this. Be lucky stars on the spiritual journey with me today, at least Saturday. And my hearty greetings to every viewers of this video for their well-being and for transforming themselves from impure to pure world. Thank you so much. I am closing this video in sweet remembrance of Father Shiv and Mother and Father Brahma, but the little mother or Mammadi Saraswati Jagadamba, now on the confluence age, who became perfect angel, Avyakta, on 24th June 1965. And the same soul will ascend on the pure DT world in the name of Radhe. When Radhe becomes the Lakshmi after a marriage or a Swayamvar with Krishna, she is known or she becomes the Empress of Heaven, Satyug की Mahalakshmi. And in Bhakti or in the hell or after Copper Age until the end of Kali Yuga, Iron Age, she is being remembered